The outback of Western Australia is vast beyond belief. The places we visit and set up camp are remote. There are no stores or shops where we can buy provisions, so everything we need on our trips has to be carried in. This means a big shopping list to keep us fully supplied. Once we have selected a suitable campsite, we need to collect dry wood for the campfire. The fire is the center of the camp and where we do all of our cooking. It is quite amazing what can be prepared using a few simple and practical techniques. It is also important that our food is nutritious and tasty. Long days out detecting in the bush build a good appetite. Once lit, we can keep the fire going for several days. Most mornings we're up at sparrow fart and boil the old black ale for warm tea. Usually followed by a full cooked breakfast. Eggs, bacon, toast and another cup of tea, fuel for the day ahead. We like to get out detecting early, whilst it is still cool. At around midday we stop for a snack and have our main meal in the evening, usually after dark and after a few beers. It's amazing what we can make: chicken curry, steak, chili con carne, spaghetti, stews and even tom yum soup. Fresh food is kept cool in our solar-powered angle cool boxes. Matt also bakes delicious bread on the campfire. We always remove all of our rubbish and try to leave the campsite looking tidy. Thanks for watching this short video. Hopefully it's let you see that outback life can be very good.